Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to Easy Learning with Mr. and Mrs. Asif. Today we will discuss the system of linear equations. In this video I will give you the idea how to solve the system of linear equations with 2 or 3 variables. And at the end of this video I will also guide you how you can verify your answer by using the calculator. First of all, I want to tell you about the linear equation. What do you mean by linear equation? Talk about the linear equation in one variable. Let us write a linear equation in one variable. X plus 1 equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable. Why I called it linear equation? Because x has degree 1. So I call it linear equation. If x has a degree 2, I will call it as quadratic equation. Now if we talk about the system of linear equation, there will be two equations having the two variables. In this system, x is one variable and y is second variable. X has degree 1 and y has degree 1. Here can also be seen that x has degree 1 and y is also have a degree 1. Linear system with two variables. Now let us
consider one system having two equations x and x plus 2y equal to 4 and 3x minus 5y equal to 1. It can be seen that this system has a two variable x and y and two equations. So we need to solve it. It is also important to keep in mind that when you are solving 2 cross 2 system or two variables with two equations, then the number of equations must be equal to number of variables for unique solution. Let us consider a method of substitution. First of all, I will get the value of x from equation 1. If put in equation 2, you will see that when we put the value of x in second equation, this will take like this form, and after mathematical steps you will get the value of y. Putting this value in this equation, you will get the value of x. When you get the value of x and y, you can specify your solution as x y value of x must be written first, then you write the value y. It can be read as when x equal to 2, y will be 1. Solution can be verified from our system. When we put it in our system, you can see that value of x equal to 2, give 4. So solution has been verified by substituting it in our given system. Second equation will also verify this solution.
Now I will guide you how you can solve your system by using calculator. I am using calculator ES991EX. First of all, you have to click on the AC button, then go press the menu button like this screen. Go down and click on this. You need to press A. You see on your calculator there is a on here. Press alpha plus this one A. You get this screen. Now you have simultaneous equations. So press 1. simultaneous equation number of unknowns. We know that our system has two unknowns x and y, so we need to press 2. This, like this screen presents, write your system in the descriptive form. Our system was x plus 2y equal to 4, 3x minus 5 y equal to 1. So we write after pressing 1 you need to press equal. Write the coefficient of y, that is 2. After press 2 then press equal. On the right hand side we have 4, press 4 and then press equal. Now come on second equation, the coefficient of x is 3, press 3 then equal. The coefficient of y is minus 5, press minus 5 then equal. And on the right hand side we have 1, so press 1 equal. This is our system. Now to get the solution of this system, just press equal. You will get the value of x, that is 2. When again press equal you will get the value of 1. You can see that our system has a solution 2 and 1. So we get solution of our system by using calculator easily.